If you're struggling in network marketing, I'm going to show you why you should be using ClickFunnels in your network marketing business. Let me share my screen. I'm Sandra Connor, the Lady Marketing Ninja, and in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the ways I use ClickFunnels in my network marketing business. So ClickFunnels is a software where you can build funnels. They're basically just websites. I use it for this is one of the ways I use it, to market my free Master Pack training. So let's click in. Let me show you what this funnel looks like. So when you click in, then you have all these options that you can do to change it. You click here to edit it. You click here for the settings. Let me show you that first. This is the first thing you need to do. You need to select the domain that it's going to run off of. So I've got two entered. I've got Join Sandra Connor, and then I've got go.joinsandraconnor.com. And I've got it selected as that one because actually the joinsandraconnor.com website is actually powered by GoDaddy, and it's actually open and active. So if I pick it, it's not going to work. You can't run both of them at the same time. Well, I guess you could, but it would select a different name. It would put a different name at the end of it so that it would run, but it wouldn't be the exact name. So you want to always make sure your domain is selected. Here's where you can change your name. And if you change anything here, this is where you put your Facebook tracker, the pixel. And if you change anything, this is the share where you can, which I'm going to give you a copy of this funnel. So this is the link I'm going to use to give you a copy of it free. You can change it to test mode if you're selling anything here. And you scroll down to the bottom and you hit save and update, and it'll take you right back to the main page. But you're going to want to make sure, well, it doesn't take you back to the main page. You have to hit steps again to go to the main page. So now that you've got that set, you can go under publishing. And this is where you can change the path. Like I changed it to free MLM Master Packs training. And it was a bunch of numbers there. So now it's cleaner and easier to understand. So you can change the path as well. So then you go back to the overview. So you're under steps and overview, and now you've got your funnel. And see, it's got my domain, go.joinsandraconnor.com, free MLM Masters Pack training. So it's got exactly what I put. Now let's go in and let me show you how easy it is to edit a funnel. And you're going to want to come in and change this. See, everything, when you scroll over it, it lights up and it shows you what can be changed. So the green areas, that is your sections. And then rows are blue and elements are orange. Columns are blue and sections are the green. So if you want to change the background color, you'll need to come up here and hit settings, and then it pops out, and then you need to pick, this says background image. So it's an image that's got this color on it because it's a little bit textured. But if you select that, you can delete the image, and then you can pick a color. See, the background color can be picked here, or you can put another image in and put it at the top. So there's anything here you can change. And then the padding, see, watch the funnel. See it slide down? So you can design it to look any way you want to. And this pulls the bottom up. See the bottom moving? So it's so simple. And then once you've done everything you want to do, you click out here. And then here's your save button. And then to actually change the wording, which you'll need to change, you need to just click in it and say now it changes to blue, and now you have the right to type in it. See, you can type and change anything you want in here, and once you're finished, you just click outside, and then you have the option to get your orange box again. Click on your settings button again, and then now you can change again the top margin, or you can do the font size. See, if you don't want it to be that large, see, it just automatically changes it. So I had it 44. And then here's where you adjust the mode, but don't do it yet. You'll need to do that at the very end. And there's your text color. And if you select bold, and let me click on to show you. So you can select whatever color you want, or you can come over here. Or if you know the code, you can just simply enter the code of the color that you want. And it actually did change it. So I'm not going to save it, so it'll go back to the, I think I just had it as black. So you can pick, yep, that's what it was. And then it goes back, and then you'll need to save all the changes before you exit the scene as well. And this is the same. And if you say you want to enter another phrase, you can either click at the bottom to add an element. And then is, okay, what do you want? You want to add a headline, a subheadline, a paragraph, a bullet. Say you want to add a video instead of an image. Say I've got an image here. You can add a video. You can do a pop-up video. You can do an auto player. And all these other things that you can select. Just do a dividing line. Let's just put a dividing line in so you can see. See, there it is. And now you got the same box. You come over and then go under the advanced settings. Well, the first you can do, if you don't want it to be 100% over, you can do 50%, and see the line is much smaller. But see, it's set on the left side, so you'll need to change that under the advanced settings. No? Is it back under the settings? Oh, there it is, alignment's the left. So you can pick center, and see, and now it slides it over. And you say if you want the line to be larger, see how much thicker it is? So you can pick whatever you want. And it's just simple. Point and click. It's so simple. I want to show you one other thing in that. You can go under the advanced settings and you could add a shadow to it. Just the bottom line shadow. See it come in? And see, you can change the padding as well. See, everything moved down when I changed that. See, it moved back up. And if you want to be the bottom even darker, watch it. See how much darker it changed? If you don't like it, you just come back in and say no shadow. So simple. So that's why I use ClickFunnels to build all of my websites. And for this one, I am, like I said, I'm giving away a free Master's Pack training. It's 5 or 6 videos, I can't remember, but it's free training. They're all, I think, 20 minutes or longer each, and it's showing you step by step what I'm doing in my network marketing career. So when you come down here, see, it's also used as an opt-in, so people have to opt in to, and you can take these boxes away. If you don't want it, you just hit the delete and it'll remove the entire box. Or if you want to move the entire area, then again, you need to get the different element. You need to delete it from this area, or you can clone it to add another one. And here you need to set what action you want your button to take. So when they enter their first name and their email address, that always needs to be set to submit the form. But if you're offering something else, then you can hit this one and you can enter the website, and you can either have it open the exact same page. I personally like it to open a new window because there may be something else they want to come back and refer to on your funnel. That's what I like to do. But anytime you're getting the email, it's got to be submit form, so that way it will add it to your list. And again, you just add anything you want here at the bottom. I mean, you just keep moving around and changing. It is the simplest thing to use. And once you finished, you of course hit save. I'm not going to save anything because I don't want to change what I've already got. And see, it'll warn you. I didn't hit save, so it's telling me, wait, are you sure you want to leave? You're not going to, the changes you made are not going to make. Yes, I do want to leave because I don't want to change anything because I didn't fix marketing. It was still spelled wrong. So then once it collects the email address, it automatically takes you to the next page, the thank you page. And this is all done behind the scenes. You don't have to worry about that type of thing. So here's the thank you page. Congratulations, you are taking control of your future. Enjoy the free training in ClickFunnels. And see, it's the exact same way as it was before. You click and everything's done the same. And once you finish, if you're going to actually advertise this, let me get back to the opt-in page. Say this is something that you are going to advertise. So you'll need to come in to edit your page. You'll need to come to settings, and you want to do integrations. That's where you hook up your autoresponder. See, I've got actual ClickFunnels hooked up. So when they opt in, it's going to save them to my ClickFunnels list. And it's going to be, it tells me it's adding them to the list, and the list name is MLM. So that's done. So make sure you set that up for yourself. And then if you have any tracking information, here's your SEO metadata. This is what would go on when you're running a Facebook ad. This is what the public will see. This is the advertisement that they hook on. So you want to make sure you've got this filled out. So you enter your title, your description, enter some keywords if you want to, the name, enter your image, and it lets you save the images. So when you click this box, it's going to take you to all of your images. And if you don't have any in there, you just hit upload and select the images from your computer or your drive. So make sure you've got your metadata done. And the general, this is if you wanted to do something different with your page. If you had, like if you're offering a product, then right here's where you would select the products. This is all the products that I've entered. Email list building. If you wanted to provide that to them, if they clicked on, then you could click it, and then it would automatically send it to them when they opt in. So ClickFunnels is awesome. It's a great tool. I highly recommend that you use it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I release videos weekly with training that I'm using in network marketing. And if you're interested in getting this funnel, click the link below and get your free ClickFunnels account. It's going to send you to a free 2-week trial for ClickFunnels. And I'm an affiliate for them, so I will get paid a fee if you actually click on and pay. You will get 2 weeks free. You'll get 14 days free no matter which program you select. And then at the end of that, if you decide to continue, then your card will be charged. So click and get your ClickFunnels account. Email me at sandrajoinconnor.com and let me know that you've purchased your ClickFunnels through my link, and I will share this funnel with you for free. And you can start using this once you change everything how I just showed you. You can start using this funnel in your business. Thanks a lot and have a great day.